In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of the toolbar in Google Docs. Whether you're working on an important project or just polishing up some personal notes, understanding how to navigate and utilize the toolbar effectively can make a big difference in your document creation process. First, let's begin by opening up your Google Docs file. Finding your document is your first step towards streamlining your work. Now, as you have your file open in front of you, I'd like you to direct your attention to the toolbar situated at the top of the page. This is your control center, filled with various options and tools to help you customize your document to fit your needs. Now that we're focused on the toolbar, I want to highlight a particularly handy feature, the zoom function. This is located on the toolbar and is typically represented by a small drop-down menu showing a percentage like 100%. Clicking this zoom drop-down is your next step. When you do, you'll see a list of percentage options appear before you. What we're looking to do here is adjust our view to make the text larger and easier to read. This is especially useful if you find yourself squinting at the screen or simply want a more comfortable viewing experience. Taking the next step, choose a higher percentage from this menu. You might consider selecting 125% or even 150% to zoom in. As soon as you click your preferred percentage, you'll notice the content of your document getting larger instantly. This can significantly reduce eye strain, especially during extended periods of writing or editing. By knowing how to adjust the zoom, you'll improve your ability to work more efficiently in Google Docs. It's a simple action but can truly refine your working process, whether you're editing text-heavy documents or just trying to get everything to fit perfectly on your screen while you're making those finishing touches. Remember, mastering these small tools and features can enormously impact your productivity and comfort. The toolbar is full of other helpful features as well, so don't hesitate to explore it further. As you get more familiar with its offerings, you'll likely find even more helpful functions that can benefit your workflow. I hope that diving into the toolbar today has helped you feel more confident navigating your tasks in Google Docs. Whether you're adjusting the zoom or delving into other features tucked within the toolbar, remember that these options are there to make your work easier and more accessible. Thank you for joining me, and happy writing!